Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Thermaltake Toughram RGB DDR4-3200 16GB kit. So I've been waiting literally 2 months for these, and they finally arrived. It's the Thermaltake Toughram RGB 16GB kit, supporting speeds up to DDR4-3200, and I've actually got them right in my hand. It looked great. It has a nice aluminium heat shield with a very nice Thermaltake like a logo here with the RGB and the lighting LEDs at the top here. Very nice. And yeah, got good low memory timings, as well as supporting speeds of up to DDR4-3200. It's 8 gigs times 2, giving you a 16GB kit. We'll be putting these into our test rig and see how it performs. There's not much to do in unboxing. It's just basically the box and the RAM in a nice seashell kind of casing there. But yeah, let's put this on our test rig. Check out the RGB effects. It's should be looking really nice. We'll see in a bit with the test rig and see how it performs. So we'll see in a bit. If you're a PC enthusiast or a Thermaltake fan, then you'll probably see these modules in your social media feeds more than once. Why? That's because everyone's talking about them, literally. But I have to admit, they do look good. Darn good to say the least. It's perfect for any PC enthusiast who wants to add some great looking RGB memory modules in their mods or PC gaming system. The build quality of these modules are excellent. I love the look and feel of the brushed aluminium heat spreaders. They make the modules feel weighty and robust, and furthermore offers exceptional heat dissipation. So what about performance? While looking at the scores from the benchmarks in our review, you can see that the result speaks volumes. It performed beautifully with great scores all around. So well done Thermaltake. When it comes to overclocking these modules, we managed to reach a speed of DDR4-3533, which isn't too bad, although I would prefer higher. There is some room, however, for further overclocking if you play around with the BIOS, and you could possibly reach up to DDR4-3600 or even DDR4-3666. Memory compatibility can be an issue, but I'm glad to say that there's no issues with the Thermaltake Toughram RGB. It worked perfectly on my ASRock X570 Phantom Gaming ITX motherboard. And if these modules are XMP 2.0 ready, then it'll work with any Intel motherboard just fine. This is Thermaltake's second attempt in producing memory kits, and it's a big win for them. You now have the option to buy memory kits for your water-cooled system with the Toughram RGB, or get the Toughram RGB for any mod, gaming or enthusiast PC. So in conclusion, the Thermaltake Toughram RGB not only looks good, but offers excellent performance, rock-solid stability and good compatibility. You can check out the full review at Funkykit.com. And there you have it. This is the Thermaltake Toughram RGB DDR4-3200 in a 16GB kit. It offers great performance as well as amazing lighting effects, supporting all of the major RGB platforms found on your motherboards. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Yeah, hit that subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.